Today I'm so excited for this open collaboration with some incredible talented creators. Today I'm sharing several easy spring home decor projects, plus I will show you how I style my dining room table for this season. Let's jump right in. For this project I purchased 2 of these picture frames from Dollar Tree. I took it apart. I also have this pillowcase. I'm cutting it to the size of that frame and I'm going to go ahead and insert it inside. I'll assemble the frame back together and this is how it turned out. Now I noticed that line after I insert everything back together, but I took these beautiful wall stickers. I'm gonna go ahead and disguise that. I have 2 beautiful pale rose wall sticker that I'm going to be inserting right up here, and of course I thought that it looked a little bit plain, so I started inserting more of these wall stickers. I also included the leaves only to make it look more cohesive. This is a very simple project. I hope you enjoy it. I'll show you the final review in a second. In the meantime, I have these 2 wood rounds. I'm going to be painting them with white linen chalk paint. Now that they are dry, I'm taking these candle pillar sticks and I'm going to be using some hot glue and I'm going to be gluing them right on top. And I'm going to be doing the same thing to both of them. And I also came back and I'm just going to go ahead and retouch this bottom section right here. And look at these beautiful bunnies. This is how I'm going to go ahead and decorate it. But before I do that, I have 2 ribbons, one in light blue and one in pink. I'm going to go ahead and hot glue it right on this section, 1 to each pillar. Now I'm going to get ready to go ahead and decorate them. I'm going to place the bunnies right on top, and then I have several little flowers that I had in the bottom of my stash. I'm going to go ahead and cut the stems out, and with some hot glue, I'm going to start hot gluing them right around both of the bunnies. And then this will be it, my dear friends. Here's the final reveal.
In my little corner space, wooden glass beneath my hand, something magic starts to rise when the afternoon light lands. I've been busy all damn week, making beauty from the small. Every piece becomes a prayer.
And for this next picture frame, all I did was take this peel and stick, fold it to that size. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back together. I also have this beautiful distress bunny rabbit. I purchased this at a grab bag from Michael's. It had a stand in the bottom. I just removed the stand. I'm using a lot of hot glue, and then I'm just going to go ahead and place it right on top. Nice and simple, yet so elegant. And now is your time to vote. Let me know if you like picture frame number 1 or this one. I think this one is my favorite of both of them. What do you think? Leave it in the comment section.
Each piece that comes my way, you inspire what I create. Every cut, every crumb.
I purchased these beautiful bunny rabbits last year from Dollar Tree. I paid $1.25. I took them outside, sprayed them with Rust-Oleum metallic gold paint, and I waited till they dry. And now I have some beautiful home decor for this spring, and look at how gorgeous they turned out. Let me know your comments in the comment section.
The music in my heart, oh, making magic just for you.
These 3 candle holders I purchased at Dollar Tree. They are so elegant. I'm gonna decorate them very simple. I'm just gonna add this ribbon. I'm gonna do the same thing to all 3 of them. I also have this beautiful rose. It is made out of foam, and I'm going to be placing 1 on each candlestick. I also took some greenery from the bottom of my stash, something that I had left over. I cut them to size, and with some hot glue, I'm going to be gluing 2 pieces on each candlestick. I also have some baby sprouts, and I am going to be gluing them around the rose. This video is also part of an open collaboration called Talented Creators. This takes place once a month, every 3rd Saturday of each month. It is hosted by myself, DIY with Aurea, and Loli from Loli's Creations. This month, our guest host is Marika from Marika's Creation. I'm going to be leaving the links down below in my description box. Make sure to go ahead and visit them and give them a lots of love. love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. If you are coming from one of their channels, I am so happy that you are here. Now let's go ahead and go into my dining room table. I added the tablecloth, and now I'm going to be adding this beautiful runner. And I'll just let you see how I decorated the rest. And I also have an old video that I'm bringing to life, and it is how I decorated my island several years ago.
Space, wooden glass beneath my hand. Something magic starts to rise when the afternoon light lands. I've been busy all damn week, making beauty from the small. Every piece becomes a prayer in this workshop down the hall. Te digo lo que siento when my finger find the.
After I added the charger, I went on off camera and I added both of the plates, also the spoon and the napkin. This I got at Dollar Tree. They come 3 in a package. How convenient. I love it. And then of course I'm going to go ahead and add the wine glass. I hope you have enjoyed this tablescape. Let me know in the comments section what would you add or take away. And you might think that you are subscribed to this channel, and sometimes we are not. So go ahead and check it, and if you're not, go ahead and do so. And I hope you enjoy this one.
My hands move with purpose today. There's something in the way I choose each piece that comes my way. You inspire what I create. Every cut, every crumb that I serve, building something from the heart. I'm crafting love in every line, making beauty yours and mine. Each creation tells you how you're the reason here and now. Feel the rhythm in my art, you're the music in my heart. Oh, making magic just for you. Oh, every piece of love, so the wood beneath my fingertips responds to thoughts of you, transforming into gifts that speak what words can't do. Every stroke, every hue within I make for you, building bridges with my hands. I'm crafting love in every line, making beauty yours and mine. Each creation tells you how you're the reason here and now. Feel the rhythm in my art, you're the music in my heart. Oh, making magic just for you. Oh, every piece of love so true. The day is done and the work is through. All these little things point me back. I'm crafting love in every line, making beauty yours and mine. Each creation tells you how.
Well, my dear friends, thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and like that, I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.